matter what we eat. In short, what we eat is central to our health. Food acts as medicine to maintain, prevent, and treat disease. What does food do in our bodies? The nutrients in food enable the cells in our bodies to perform their necessary functions. Nutrients are the nourishing substances in food that are essential for the growth, development and maintenance of body functions. Essential meaning that if a nutrient is not present, aspects of function and therefore human health decline. When nutrient intake does not regularly meet the nutrient needs dictated by the cell activity, the metabolic processes slow down or even stop. Thinking about food in this way gives us a view of nutrition that goes beyond calories or grams, good foods or bad foods. This view leads us to focus on foods we should include rather than foods to exclude. Instead of viewing food as the enemy, we look to food as a way to create health and reduce disease by helping the body maintain function. No single food, not even a superfood, can offer all the nutrition, health benefits, and energy we need to nourish ourselves. However, there are a few foods that can be singled out for special recognition. These superfoods offer some very important nutrients that can power pack your meals and snacks, and further enhance a healthy eating pattern. So, here are superfoods list that is good for our health and prevent us from getting sickness. Berries. High in fiber, berries are naturally sweet, and their rich colors mean they are high in antioxidants and disease-fighting nutrients. Fish. Fish can be a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent heart disease. Fish with the highest omega-3 content are salmon, tuna steaks, mackerel, herring, trout, anchovies, and sardines. Leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium, as well as several phytochemicals, chemicals made by plants that have a positive effect in your health. They also add fiber into the diet. Try varieties such as spinach, Swiss chard, kale, collard greens, or mustard greens. Throw them into salads or sauté them in a little olive oil. You can also add greens to soups and stews. Nuts. Hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds, pecans, nuts are a good source of plant protein. They also contain monounsaturated fats, which may be a factor in reducing the risk of heart disease. Add a handful to oatmeal or yogurt or have as a snack. But remember they are calorically dense, so limit to a small handful. Olive oil. Olive oil is a good source of vitamin E, polyphenols, and monounsaturated fatty acids, all which help reduce the risk of heart disease. Use in place of butter or margarine in pasta or rice dishes. Drizzle over vegetables, use as a dressing, or when sautéing. Whole grains. A good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, whole grains also contain several B vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They have been shown to lower cholesterol and protect against heart disease and diabetes. Yogurt. A good source of calcium and protein, yogurt also contains live cultures called probiotics. These, good bacteria, can protect the body from other, more harmful bacteria. Try eating more yogurt, but watch out for fruited or flavored yogurts, which contain a lot of added sugar. Buy plain yogurt and add your own fruit. Look for yogurts that have live active cultures, such as Lactobacillus, L. acidophilus, L. bulgaricus, and S. thermophilus. You can use yogurt in place of mayonnaise or sour cream in dips or sauces. Cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, collard greens, kale, kohlrabi, mustard greens, radishes, and turnips. They are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and phytochemicals including indoles, thiocyanates, and nitriles, which may prevent against some types of cancer. Steam or stir fry, adding healthy oils and herbs and seasonings for flavor. Try adding a frozen cruciferous vegetable medley to soups, casseroles, and pasta dishes. Legumes. This broad category includes kidney, black, red, and garbanzo beans, as well as soybeans and peas. Legumes are an excellent source of fiber, folate, and plant-based protein. Studies show they can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Add to salads, soups, and casseroles. Make a chili or a bean-based spread such as hummus. Tomatoes. These are high in vitamin C and lycopene, which has been shown to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Try tomatoes in a salad or as a tomato sauce over your pasta. You can also put them in stews, soups, or chili. Lycopene becomes more available for your body to use when tomatoes are prepared and heated in a healthy fat such as olive oil. What is the connection between food and disease? As a society, we are facing significant health problems. The United States ranks 9th in life expectancy among nations in the developed world. We have a workforce plagued with absenteeism and reduced productivity because of chronic health problems, including depression. 78% of healthcare expenditures are for the treatment of chronic disease. Many researchers now believe that these problems are partly related to diet. While they used to believe that diseases such as type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers were caused by a single gene mutation, they are now generally attributing these conditions to a network of biological dysfunction. And the food we eat is an important factor in that dysfunction, in part because our diets lack the necessary balance of nutrients. To prevent the onset of these diseases, we need to know how multiple nutrients in a diet interact and affect the human body's functions, according to the Nutrition Society, Europe's largest nutritional organization. Functional medicine is a dynamic approach to assessing, preventing, and treating complex and chronic diseases using nutrition. This area of healthcare also conducts research on the role that nutrition plays in health.
If you like and enjoy this video, please help me grow this channel by subscribing and press that notification bell to see my latest uploads. Also, press that like button and let me know what are you thinking by leaving your comments on the comments box below. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.